So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Photoshop 2025 in your PC and laptop, and how to do this. Let's get started. First what we need to do is open Google Chrome or any web browser you like, and then search for Microsoft apps. Now scroll down a bit till you find this link, Microsoft Store, download apps, games and more for you. Just click on this official link, and then here just search for Adobe Photoshop. Now here you can go for paid version, but we will go with the free version. Just click on Adobe Photoshop Express, and then click on download and wait for it to complete downloading. Now open the setup file and install it. Once it completes installing, it will look like this. Just close this and then click on sign in and sign into your account. Once you do this, you'll see that Adobe Photoshop Express is ready to use, and you can start editing your photos. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.